Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So do you want to have this kind of like aesthetic shaking picture? So this video is gonna be matched for you. I would like to show you the way how to get this aesthetic shaking picture just only with your iPhone camera. So the thing that you have to do is just go back into your home screen and let's just open the camera sections. So you just need to open the camera, and right after that you just need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be a live photos features. Go click it to activate it, and whenever you got it, now you just need to find the object that you want to have to take or to capture. So here now you just need to go click this this button while shaking your object. Okay, ready, go. And whenever you're done, you just need to go back into your home screen. Now you just need to open your photo library and just open the picture that we just take. So this is the live picture that we just take before. Go. So to have those shaky looks, you just need to go click the image, and right after that there will be like show on here this live sections. Go click them and go click this long exposure. So you just need to wait until your picture is got changed by the system. It's gonna be like take a little bit moment, so you just need to wait it patiently. Okay, hold on, and here is the result. So that is the way, one of the hacks that you can get for your picture, this aesthetics shaking looks only with iPhone camera. Hopefully this tutorial is really useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will like to see you later on my next video.